Hello EDC community and fellow knife lovers. Let me show you my camping knives. This is the SOG Ace fixed blade outdoor camping knife. I like this blade because it's not too short. The blade has enough length and the handle's very grippy. It's textured to accommodate all your fingers. Has a good jimping so your thumb can rest, and your forefinger also has a nice rest at the hilt of the handle. It's a plain edge clip point of a C7C or 17 MOV material. This is a really well balanced knife, no? But I won't recommend this for everyday carry. And there's also the sheath, alright? So it grips onto the handle and it doesn't let go. It doesn't slip no matter where you hold it. It's like so. And if you see, there's also a notch right there where you could cut twine or thin fabric through without ever exposing the full blade, so it's really safe. And the sheath clips very securely on your belt or pocket.